Hi everyone, here's a video to show you how to write an introduction for your argument essay. Just like with our informative essay, you want to start with some sort of hook to get your reader interested in your topic. So some things you can begin with might be a quote, a personal story, or a surprising statistic or an interesting question related to the topic, something that will get your reader's attention and get them wanting to read more of your paper. After you do that, you should include a little bit of background on the topic to let the reader better understand the issue. It doesn't have to be extreme detail, just a little short explanation so they know what's going on. Then you want to state your thesis statement. It should be clearly stated and not written as a question or run-on sentence. You don't want to include any evidence yet. You just want to make your thesis statement addressing the problem that the prompt asked you. Once you state your thesis statement, you want to then outline your three main points or claims that your paper is going to be making to support that thesis statement. So remember that those three things are going to be the topic of each of your three body paragraphs. So this may be where you talk about overfishing, pollution, and climate change, for example. So what to leave out of your introduction? It shouldn't describe arguments or any other information that belongs in the body paragraphs. Remember, this is just introducing what you're going to be talking about to your reader. Save all your other information for the body paragraphs. It should introduce and set up your point rather than lay out evidence to support it again. Also, while your intro is a roadmap, sort of, for the rest of your essay, you shouldn't announce what and how you'll be arguing. So you don't want to say things like this, I'm going to prove to you that, or you don't want to say things like, my paper is about, those things don't add any important information and they're not professional writing. So just like we said before, you want to leave out the words I and my in your paper and just write it academically. So there you go. There's a little help to get you started with writing your introduction. You should use your argument essay plan to help you with what to write since you've already done the work there. All right, good luck.